everybody out there. Today here we got the bow. Let's see, can it bleed? That's not healthy. Then we try with that. Woo. No. No. It's bleeding! It's really bleeding! It's bleeding! That's what I call a bleeding bun. Me too. That was awesome! Yeah, man. See you next time.
Yeah, try to go.